In this video, I will be going through all the steps needed to change the light trap on an 8x10 film holder. I'm checking the dimensions. It's 21.3 centimeters by 20 mm in depth. And I'm also checking if there's any recess on the sides. I'm using a transparent plastic sheet to cut the structure. It's made for projectors. And I'm cutting a rectangle of 21.3 centimeters by 45 mm. The original light trap was made out of a metal spring covered in velvet, where the metal was bending the wood way too much and the velvet was in a bad condition. So I decided to change to foam strips because they have a softer push and it still be light tight but not bending the wood. Now I'm folding it in 3 parts to slide it in the holder. I'm using a piece of velvet vinyl to stick to the transparent plastic to make it light-proof. I'm also cutting it to 21.3 centimeters by 45 millimeters. To replace the metal spring, I'm using a foam strip. It's a draft extrusion strip. It's just thick enough to give the right amount of pressure and close the opening. I'm gluing a strip on both sides, on the edges. Now I've got to squeeze it in the holder. I'm checking that the dark slide is sliding in and out without grabbing onto something. The last thing I've got to do is to screw the wooden strip at the top. I've got another video where I will be changing a different style of light trap, and I will be uploading it in the next few months. I also have a Thingiverse account where I've uploaded different lens boards and adapters, and I've put the link in the description below. So it's all done, and I hope you found it interesting.